WinCC OA is a game changer because it's an engineering tool developed for engineers by engineers that helps rapidly accelerate digital transformation.
We are at the WinCC OA Developer Days in Prague, where we bring all of our partners and integrators together to exchange about our product and their solutions.
Developer Days are all about the WinCC community, and it is really a strong community.
This year we have over 200 participants, which is double of last year. So our community is rapidly growing and the people are really committed to come to the event.
It is about exchanging ideas, getting new inspiration, and seeing our customers thrive with amazing solutions.
What is innovative about WinCC OA in the industrial environment? I think it's really the capability to be a platform for making a digital transformation.
It's an IIoT platform, which is a rapid application development environment for solving problems. And at the end of the day, digital transformation is a strategy for making data the primary commodity in a business, and you can't do that without solving problems.
It's our real power platform, let's call it this way.
My personal highlight of these developer days is seeing our customers exchange about their ideas and even generating new ideas on how to use WinCC OA to make their project successful.